Friends, electric vehicles are on top of the news these days. So, what are the benefits of electric vehicles? Yes, environmental benefit is one of the major benefit with electric vehicles. What do you think? What are the other benefits of electric vehicles? Electric vehicles have many benefits like economical benefits and its technical benefits. Namaskar friends and welcome to our channel Vichitra Enterprises. And friends, in today's topic we will discuss the benefits, various benefits of electric vehicles like its economical benefits, its technical benefits and its environmental and health benefits. Now this video is going to be very interesting, so stay tuned and let's see. Now let us first see the economical benefits of electric vehicles over its counterpart IC engine based vehicles. So the first point is electric vehicle requires less maintenance, as electric vehicles have few moving parts in comparison to IC engine based vehicles. So electric vehicles require less maintenance. And now with maintenance you may think that electric vehicle have batteries which require more maintenance, but manufacturers of electric vehicle gives warranty of 5 to 7 years on batteries, and it is claimed that they have a life cycle, battery have a life cycle of 10 to 12 years. And I feel it's a healthy time to have an EV without maintenance. Now second one is operational cost of an EV, or we can say fuel cost of an EV is very cheaper than IC engine based vehicle, because we know that fossil fuel, diesel and petrol is very expensive than electricity, and fuel cost of diesel and petrol in our country India has already marked a century. So the operational cost of electric vehicles is very low, as well as we can use renewable energy sources like solar, wind to power our electric vehicle, which can even lower down its price to zero. Now if we talk about the bigger picture of EVs, or we can say if we talk about the economical benefits of EV over a country, so electric vehicle will reduce the energy dependency of a country on other countries. Like it will reduce the import of fossil fuels like petrol, diesel of a country from other countries. And friends, here I want to mention that in current situation the prices of electric vehicles, or we can say down payment of electric vehicle, is higher than IC engine based vehicles. But in coming years, like our technology is increasing and government is promoting electric vehicles, so maybe in 4 to 5 years we can purchase electric vehicle in the same price as IC engine based vehicles. Now if you talk about the technical benefits of EVs, so the first point is EV doesn't have gear system. So people like me who get confused by the gear system don't have to hustle anymore, because EVs are easy to ride and they don't have gear system. Now second point is EVs have good performance, high performance, and they have smooth control. And EVs are less noisy than IC engine based vehicles, so noise pollution will also be maintained while driving EVs. And this is very important point, that EVs have a regenerative braking system, which means when you apply brakes on EVs, this kinetic energy of the EV from the wheels get converted into electrical energy and get stored in the batteries. So electric vehicles are more efficient, more energy efficient. The energy loss in EVs is very low. And next point is you can easily charge electric vehicles at your home. But yes, electric vehicles are restricted for an area, or we can say for a particular distance till now, because charging infrastructure in our country has not been developed that much. but I think sooner you will find chargers in every city, in every part of the country. So before talking further about the environmental and health benefits of EVs, here you can see an article from the Indian Express which says vehicle fumes led to 74,000 deaths in 1 year in India, says the report. So you cannot just think that by having an electric vehicle you will play this game for others, you will benefit the environment. You will play this game for yourself, for your coming generation. Now coming to the environmental and health benefits of EVs. So shifting to electric vehicle will reduce the greenhouse gases, because electric vehicle does not emit any kind of greenhouse gases like CO2, SO2 or NO2. So electric vehicle will reduce the pollution of our country, of our world, and will also reduce global warming, climate change and other effects like heat waves, etc. And friends, you must note that with the current rate of increasing population, increasing vehicles, there will be smoke all around the cities if we use IC engine based vehicles only. But friends, here I want to mention that to achieve our purpose of reducing pollution by using EVs, it is advisable to use a renewable source of energy like solar, wind to generate power, so that this green energy can be used to charge our electric vehicles, because using fossil fuels to charge our electric vehicles will not make any sense. And we Indians have to take some major actions to reduce pollution, because you can see this article in which in the top 30 most polluted cities, 22 cities are from India, which is a very sad news for us. So we need to take actions to reduce pollution of our country. I'm not saying that you must buy an EV to reduce pollution, but we must take some actions, some small actions to protect our environment. Like don't waste food, because dumb food creates methane which will pollute our environment. And don't waste electricity, water, and plant more trees. Don't throw your garbage everywhere. So these are some small steps we can take to contribute our part in reducing pollution of our country. And this is it with this video. So if you have any queries, any suggestions, and how you find this video, please comment below, because your comments give me topics to make videos on, and your comments give me motivation to make more videos. And finally, it's time to say bye bye. Thank you for watching.